Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or Fi Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and today I am just going to talk about Netflix Incorporated, which is basically a video streaming service online, plus they rent out DVDs through the mail. But basically, Netflix is having a pretty awful session on the day. I mean, they didn't do very well. I think they fell by around 4 to 5% on the session. I think it was 5 to 6 actually. But again, I did mention this in my blog. I noticed that the stock was getting really close to its previous support area right around here. And it's just a no-brainer for me to think that this stock will eventually be able to bounce off it and recover. Now, I'm not sure exactly how much we could reasonably anticipate, maybe a 3-2% bounce on the stock at the very least. So that's really what I'm looking forward to on Netflix, is a really solid bounce in the equity, maybe a retracement back up to $75 per share before it continues a longer term downtrend. Again, and there's no real proof, there's no real evidence that, well, I mean, I guess there really isn't. I mean, until something actually happens, you really don't know for complete certainty. However, the strength of this downtrend has kind of shown itself. The stock has lost a lot of value over the past 12 months. So if anything, buy at this area would be a very short-term trade setup. It doesn't necessarily mean that the market has fallen in love with Netflix quite yet. However, Netflix is trading at a 20 price to earnings multiple, but it's not uncommon to see technology stocks have their PE multiples eventually, get closer to around 15 to 16 PE. And right now the market is they're kind of just shredding the stock apart. And maybe it will, maybe it could have a really long-term uptrend from this level. Maybe it could actually happen. But that's not really what I'd be looking for in this trade. What I'm really looking for is the volume. I want the volume to drop. I want the stock to eventually recover. I want to see some short covering taking place. And a lot of this stuff would happen in the Friday morning session because people are going to, they're going to take their profits because they notice that we're at a support level. And since we're at support, people are going to cover their positions, and we're going to see a minor relief rally in Netflix. That's what I'm anticipating. I think that there's probably a very good opportunity here to be buying Netflix stock. Take care, folks. And again, if you have any questions, leave a comment right below.